After age 75, many older adults believe that daily walking is enough to keep their legs healthy. But orthopedic specialists now emphasize that walking alone cannot stop age-related muscle loss. When you walk, your body uses the same movement pattern repeatedly, which is good for circulation and joint mobility. But it does little to rebuild the deeper muscle fibers responsible for strength, balance, and stability. These muscle fibers naturally shrink with age and without targeted strengthening. The legs begin to feel weaker, stairs feel harder, standing up becomes slower, and balance becomes less steady. This weakness is not a sign of helpless aging, it simply the body asking for a different kind of exercise. Surgeons explain that after 75, the muscles responsible for rising from a chair, preventing falls, and supporting the knees and hips no longer get enough stimulus from walking alone, which is why adding light, strength work becomes essential rather than optional. One of the simplest and most powerful strengthening exercises is the sit-to stand. Using a chair, you sit down slowly with control, then push through your heels and stand up again. This movement activates the quadriceps in the front of your thighs, the glutes in your hips, and the hamstrings in the back of your legs. These are the primary muscles responsible for every major lower body activity: getting out of bed, going to the bathroom safely, stepping over obstacles, climbing stairs, and maintaining balance while turning or bending. Many seniors notice that after doing this exercise for a few days, they feel shaky or tired. But this is actually a positive sign. Those muscles are waking up again. Orthopedic surgeons often say that the shakiness you feel in the first week is simply your body rebuilding pathways that haven't been used in years. With just a few repetitions each day, the legs begin to regain strength faster than most people expect. Another crucial movement is the calf raise. Lifting your heels off the ground and pausing for a moment strengthens the calf muscles, which play a major role in balance, ankle stability, and circulation in the lower legs. Weak calves are a hidden cause of falls, because they help prevent the wobble that happens when your foot touches the ground unevenly. Strengthening them improves your gait and makes you more confident when walking on uneven surfaces. Adding these small exercises sends a strong signal to your body that the lower body muscles are still needed, and the body responds by rebuilding them even at advanced ages. Many seniors are surprised to learn that muscle can grow at any age, even in the late 80s and 90s, as long as the right kind of resistance is applied. Walking is still healthy and should never be stopped, but it must be combined with strength work to protect the legs from rapid decline. The reason is simple. Walking uses endurance muscles, while sit-to stands and calf raises target the power muscles that keep you upright and stable. Without power muscles, even someone who walks daily can struggle to get out of a car, rise from a sofa, or catch themselves when slipping. That is why orthopedic surgeons stress that walking alone won't save your legs after 7. It must be paired with movements that challenge and rebuild the larger muscle groups. When you consistently add these short exercises to your routine, your muscles regain strength, your joints feel more supported, your balance becomes noticeably better. Tasks that once felt difficult begin to feel manageable again. Your legs respond quickly because the human body is designed to adapt, regardless of age. Strength training does not require heavy weights, special equipment, or long workouts. It requires only simple movements done regularly and with intention. This small commitment becomes a powerful way to stay independent, mobile, and confident in your daily life. As your body grows older, the communication between your muscles and your nervous system becomes slower, which is why many seniors notice delays when moving from sitting to standing, stepping onto a curb, or changing direction quickly. Strength exercises like sit-to-stands help retrain this communication. Each repetition forces your brain to fire stronger signals to your leg muscles, improving coordination and reaction time. Even if you move slowly, your body is learning with every repetition. Orthopedic experts often explain that this neuromuscular training is just as important as muscle building. You're not only getting stronger, you're restoring the connection between mind and muscle that naturally weakens with age. Over time, this leads to better balance, faster responses, and more secure movements during daily tasks like getting dressed, reaching down, or stepping into the shower. Another major reason walking alone stops being effective after 75 is that the hips, knees, and ankles begin to lose stability from years of underuse. Many seniors unknowingly compensate for weak leg muscles by leaning forward, shortening their stride or turning their feet outward when they walk. These habits create additional stress on the joints, causing discomfort and limiting mobility even further. When you add simple strength exercises, particularly those that focus on engaging the glutes, your hips become more supportive and aligned again. Strong glutes act like anchors for the pelvis, keeping your body stable and reducing strain on your lower back. This is why orthopedic surgeons emphasize targeted strengthening. It restores natural movement patterns that walking alone can fix. Once your hips and thighs regain stability, your entire posture improves, making every step feel lighter and more secure. Strength training also plays a crucial role in preventing falls, which is one of the greatest risks for older adults. Falls often occur not because someone isn't walking enough, but because their muscles cannot react quickly when something unexpected happens. A small slip, a rug edge, or an uneven floor becomes dangerous when the legs lack the strength to catch the body. Sit-to stands and calf raises directly train the muscles responsible for quick corrections. As these muscles grow stronger, your body becomes better at balancing, pivoting, and stabilizing itself. Even if you stumble, you gain the ability to recover instead of falling. Many seniors find that after a few weeks of consistent strengthening, they feel more confident moving around the house, climbing stairs, or walking outdoors because their legs feel more awake and responsive. Strength exercises also improve circulation, which is essential as blood flow naturally slows with age. Weak muscles don't pump blood effectively, causing swelling, stiffness, and fatigue in the legs. When the muscles of the thighs and calves contract during strengthening exercises, they act like a natural pump that pushes fresh blood upward, bringing oxygen and nutrients back to the tissues. This helps reduce heaviness in the legs, improves joint lubrication, and even helps with energy levels throughout the day. Many seniors report that after adding these exercises, they no longer feel as tired during normal activities and experience less discomfort when standing for long periods. One of the most uplifting effects of strengthening exercises is the sense of control they give you. Aging often feels discouraging when simple tasks become difficult, but building strength reverses that experience. Every time you stand up from a chair using just your legs, you reinforce the message that your body is still capable of improvement. And this mental shift is powerful. It builds confidence, reduces fear of movement, and encourages you to stay active. Many seniors begin these exercises believing they are too weak or too old. But within weeks, they notice real changes: easier standing, better balance, improved posture, and reduced joint discomfort. These small victories build momentum and motivate you to continue. Walking remains valuable for cardiovascular health, but the missing piece is strength. When both are combined, your legs support you better, your joints feel more stable, and your overall mobility improves. Even if your legs have felt weak for years, they can still grow stronger with just a few minutes of intentional movement each day.